Hello, my name is Jason Viewers, and I'm here in the beautiful Night and Day Window Decor showroom located in the heart of the city of Toronto at 1075 Yonge Street. And today I want to talk about simple problem-solving techniques when it comes to PowerView. Hunter Douglas PowerView is an extremely popular product, and from time to time we find that our shades are not working. And it's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to find the problem. So what we're looking at is potential problem 1. It could very well be our remote. So we check our remote to see if it lights up, and in this case it does. And we're going to press up, channel 2. We noticed that our shade is still not working, but I'm perhaps ruling out that it's the issue is with the remote. Second, I'm going to hit the manual button in the shade. Now, most shades, the manual button can be found on the right side of the shade, and in this case we're just going to press it and release, and still our shade is not working. The third we want to take a look at is our power source. Is it plugged in? Do we have strong batteries, or is it plugged into an outlet? So in this case we're going to follow the cord back, our power source cord, and in this case we notice that it's actually not plugged in. So we're going to reattach it to our power source. You're going to see the lights lighting up, and I'm going to use my remote, channel 2, and in this case our shade is working. So 3 very simple techniques to problem solve your PowerView issue. Is it the remote? Is it the motor? Or is it the battery? We're going to go through in a little bit more detail in some other videos. Thank you for watching.